In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Zendesk in dark mode. If you spend a lot of time on your computer, getting the right visual setup is crucial, especially for your eyes. Zendesk, a popular customer support platform, allows us to switch to dark mode for a more comfortable viewing experience, particularly in low-light conditions. To begin with, let's navigate to the top right corner of your Zendesk dashboard. Here, you're going to see a small icon. This could be your profile picture or a generic user icon if you haven't set a profile image. It's always nice to have some familiarity with where things are on your dashboard, and you'll find this icon quite helpful as we proceed with our settings adjustment. Once you click on that icon, you'll see a drop-down menu unfold before you. From this menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Display. The display settings are your gateway to personalizing your Zendesk experience. Think of it as customizing your own dashboard to match your personal or working style. With the display option clicked, you're now staring at various display settings, which includes our much-anticipated dark mode option. Switching to dark mode isn't just about aesthetics, it can have several benefits. Dark mode is known to reduce glare from your screen and can be easier on your eyes in dim lighting conditions. Plus, it can help conserve battery life for devices with OLED screens. As you toggle the display setting to dark mode, you'll notice that the colors on your screen will shift from whites and bright tones to deeper blacks and grays. This transition should be smooth, giving your Zendesk interface a fresh, new look. Enjoy the richness and contrast that comes with dark mode, creating a visually appealing workspace that can potentially improve your experience and efficiency. If at any point you decide that dark mode isn't for you, you can easily retrace our steps. Simply go back to the same display settings and switch back to the standard light mode. The flexibility Zendesk offers here ensures that your preferences are just a click away, allowing you to tailor your environment to best suit your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to switch on dark mode within Zendesk. Make sure to explore other settings available, and don't hesitate to experiment with different setups to see what enhances your workflow. Keep in mind, personal preferences can make a significant difference in how enjoyable and productive your time on the platform can be. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.